Welcome to Start My Channel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the all-new Cadillac SRX 2026, a luxury crossover SUV that's making serious waves in the automotive world. If you've been following Cadillac over the years, you know they've always had a reputation for style, comfort, and performance. But the 2026 SRX takes it to another level, blending high-end luxury with futuristic technology and a more refined driving experience. The exterior design of the 2026 Cadillac SRX is sleek, bold, and confident. Cadillac has redesigned the body, with sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and slimmer LED headlights that give it a modern, upscale look. It's clear that the SRX has been crafted to stand out in a crowd, whether you're cruising through the city or heading out. On a weekend road trip, the aerodynamic profile helps improve fuel efficiency while giving the vehicle a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Under the hood, Cadillac offers two engine options for the SRX 2026. The standard version comes with a turbo 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers solid performance with great fuel economy. For those looking for a bit more power, there's an optional 3.6-liter V6 engine that offers a much more thrilling driving experience, with quick acceleration and smooth highway cruising. Both options come with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission and the choice between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, giving you flexibility depending on your driving needs. Step inside the cabin, and the first thing you'll notice is the luxurious attention to detail. Cadillac has truly elevated the interior of the SRX. The dashboard features a large, curved gold display that combines both the digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen. This new setup feels futuristic and intuitive. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice recognition has been greatly improved to respond faster and more accurately to your commands. Every surface feels premium, with soft-touch materials, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents. One of the standout features of the 2026 SRX is its advanced driver assistance systems. Cadillac has included their Super Cruise technology, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. It uses a combination of cameras, radar sensors, and GPS to keep the car in its lane, maintain a safe following distance, and even change lanes automatically. This takes the stress out of long drives and makes commuting a lot more relaxing. Other safety features include lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. In terms of practicality, the 2026 SRX is a winner. There's plenty of room in both rows for passengers to stretch out comfortably. The rear seats can fold flat to expand the cargo space, making it perfect for hauling larger items like luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Cadillac also includes thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin, including a hidden compartment behind the touchscreen for extra security. On the road, the Cadillac SRX 2026 delivers a smooth and composed ride. The suspension has been finely tuned to absorb bumps and rough pavement, while still providing responsive handling in corners. It feels confident, refined, and quiet, thanks to Cadillac's attention to sound insulation. Whether you're taking a short trip around town or a longer journey across the country, the SRX provides a truly premium driving experience. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac SRX is a well-rounded luxury SUV that manages to combine modern tech, sophisticated design, and strong performance. It's a great option for families, professionals, or anyone looking to enjoy the finer things in life without sacrificing practicality. If you're considering a new SUV in the luxury segment, the Cadillac SRX 2026 is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.